Standard 3. Subject English. Unit Priya in the village, Riya in the city. Learning outcomes. First, reads aloud with appropriate pronunciation. Second, reads small text in English with a comprehension, that is, identifies main idea, details, and sequence, and draws conclusion in English. A. Listen carefully, look into your book and say with me. लक्ष देऊन ऐका, पुस्तकात पाहून माझ्याबरोबर म्हणा. Hi, I am Priya. I live in a small village. There are many houses in our village. The houses are close together. There are small lanes between the houses. There are many plants and trees around the houses. Daji Kaka is our neighbor. He keeps cows and buffaloes. He milks them every day. We buy milk from him. It's nice and fresh and warm. Priya in the village too. There's a grocery shop near my house. There we buy grains, oil, salt, sugar, biscuits, and many other things. Can you name them? I am in Standard 3. I walk to school. We learn Marathi, English, mathematics, and study our environment in school. Our English textbook is called My English Book 3. 2. Name the things you see in the picture. चित्रात दिसणाऱ्या गोष्टींसाठी इंग्रजी शब्द सांगा. ट्री, हाऊस, लॅडर, बायसिकल, वेल, काऊ, बफेलो, गोट, बुलक कार्ट, चिल्ड्रेन, stone. Thank you.